Hello everyone. Today I'm going to try and do some yoga. I don't typically do yoga in here, but today's been off, so let's just get into this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was supposed to be a restoration yoga session with a little bit of endurance in there, as I was asked to do full body yoga sessions, so that's pretty much what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to have different playlists for the different kinds of yoga that I'm going to be doing. So restoration, flow, gentle, etc., etc. So I'll start doing that, and I'll do playlists for the other things that I'm doing too. I hope you guys liked this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys joined in, or at the very least enjoyed the eye candy. Anyways, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye-bye.